wiki.easybid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide.
Ezvid presents the 10 best TV mounts. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Designed for TVs up to 32 inches, the Impact Mount's plasma has a backplate and vertical brackets and features holes that allow you to attach a padlock to prevent theft. While it tilts smoothly, the built-in level can be a little unreliable. It comes with easy-to-follow instructions and is a solid one-piece construction. However, the included hardware is subpar. At number 9, providing the ability to tilt, swivel, or extend, the Universal MI310B is ideal if you plan on frequently adjusting your viewing angle. This low-profile model will accommodate TVs weighing up to 175 pounds and up to 60 inches in size. It's made from heavy-gauge steel and provides easy access to the back of the screen, but the included instructions are not very clear. Coming in at number 8 on our list, the positioning of the Cheetah APT MM2B can be adjusted 3 degrees either way after installation. It's available in a range of sizes and includes a high-quality HDMI cable. It mounts to 16 or 24-inch studs and is equipped with pull tabs for an easy release. However, the tilt angle screws are weak. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, as its name suggests, the Amazon Basics No Stud is designed to be installed directly onto sheetrock and includes special fasteners for doing so. It's got a low profile that extends only 1 inch from the wall, yet allows for up to 5 degrees of tilt. It can hold up to 150 pounds and features an automatic safety lock, but it does require moderate DIY skills. Moving up our list to number 6, the adaptable Wally Full Motion is available in 3 sizes with a narrow mounting bracket that allows it to be installed on a single wooden stud. It's built from premium steel and coated with a corrosion-resistant black finish. This one's designed for one-person installation and extends up to 15 inches. However, it has a relatively low weight capacity. Halfway up our list at number 5. Simple, affordable, and easy to install. The Amazon Basics Articulating is a single-arm design. It sits snugly against the wall and can extend nearly 20 inches into the room and be positioned at any angle. It includes mounting hardware and a cable management system, but it's not suitable for all TV brands. At number 4, the Mount Factory Full Motion features convenient openings in the arms and backplate to provide space for organizing cables. The dual swing arms use high-quality barrel hinges and offer plenty of flexibility for adjusting the angle of the screen. It comes with a wrench for installation and a 10-inch long HDMI cable. However, it does require assembly. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Its ability to shift laterally means centering the Sanos Flat on your wall is a painless process. Even though it's made from heavy-duty metal that won't break, it weighs just 8 pounds, which makes for a straightforward and easy installation. This one can accommodate curved screens and makes it easy to attach and detach a TV. It protrudes from the wall less than 2 inches. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.easybid.com. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, versatile and stable, the Mounting Dream MD2380-24K accommodates most televisions sized between 26 and 55 inches. It's got 6 articulating arms, which give it plenty of strength, and is compatible with 16, 18, and 24-inch stud spacings. It can swivel 45 degrees and comes with a bonus torpedo level and ties for organizing cords. And coming in at number 1 on our list, the Echo Gear EG-LF2 can swivel 130 degrees, tilt 15 degrees, and extend up to 22 inches. This one's designed for large televisions of up to 86 inches and accommodates almost any VESA mounting pattern. It's equipped with tough corrosion-resistant brackets and comes with a drilling template. It doesn't sag when extended fully either. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki www.easybidcom. Go there now and search for TV mounts, or simply click beneath this video.